Today we're gonna review the slime. Today we're gonna review the slime. Happy slime. Today we're gonna play the slime. Ready? Are you ready to play? This slime is made by Kangaroo. It is a super cool slime. It has 3 colors. This is the gold one that looks like a chicken. This is the blue one that looks like a marble color. This is the purple one. Grapes, like the grapes. See? Okay, let's open it up. Which one? I want the chicken gold one. I actually want blue, I think. Okay, this is how you take the slime off. You have to shake it and take it off carefully like this. Wait, something is on there. Wait, that's something. Jokey. It's just this, see? There's something sticky on there.
What is that? Is that?
No, Tom, I don't know.
Let me see.
Oh, it's from the slime paper.
Oh, it's just a color, yeah. Plus the paper.
I'm trying to take it off.
Take it off, yeah.
Okay, look at my slime so far. It's hard to get out. It looks like a experiment bottle. Guys, do you think if this slime is fun? When you like this, then you get it. I'm going to show you something cool after. See? Video. Do you like this video? Okay, this looks like chicken. So watch it now. This looks like chicken. Hit your subscriber now. It's all slimy. That's why. That's your subscriber. When you know that subscribe it. When you see it, subscribe it now. When you don't see it, don't subscribe it. When you see, click in your bells button. If you don't like our video, click the thumbs down button 2 times. Guys, you like this video or not? I'm getting this one. When you like it, subscribe it then. Where? You like it? Then subscribe it now. Okay, I'm wiping this water with slime. Whoa, the experiment bottle. Okay, let's look. Do you want me to show you something? Look, watch this. I thought slime was sticky, but it breaks into little parts. Wait, what is this slime? It looks like a Play-Doh, but it's not. Play-Doh stretches like this. Let me show you. It breaks like that. Play-Doh like that, right? No. Thomas? Do you see this? Looks so like chicken. I think this is how they make it. Looks like blueberry. This looks like not a blueberry. You know how they make this slime?
I have no idea.
I think they put...
We can read the ingredient, what they have in there.
But not yet. We're playing with it. Wait, non-toxic. Why did it say non-toxic?
Toxic mint is dangerous. Non-toxic mint is not dangerous.
No,
there's no dangerous chemical in there. That's what it's saying.
No, baby, plain slime. Do you know why? Or they'll eat it. Yes, and they're gonna die. Maybe die.
Yeah, you cannot eat the slime.
And they are gonna choke.
Yeah. Do you want to eat the slime?
No.
No.
Not with glitter either.
No.
Don't eat glitter. Like
yes.
I know iPad. He keeps eating glue. We cannot eat the glue either. Promise. So slimy. See? Look at this. Look what I'm doing. Ooh. Look at what I'm doing now. Slimy. Do you like the slime?
So it has a gum.
Gum?
Water.
Water?
Green pigment.
What's green pigment?
Brilliant blue pigment.
They just mush what? This looks like chicken. Maybe they put chicken inside. No, we don't know how they turn orange, right?
You think they made it with chicken?
No. Yeah, but it feels like chicken and looks like chicken. Can I touch? It's the same thing. Like chicken.
You think it's made out of chicken?
Yeah. Maryland. And you're okay, I'm going to show you something cool. Okay, are you ready? You want this slime? Wait. I'm going to show you something cool. Look. if I put this, it looks like farting sound. Look. Do you want to play this slime? You wanna make a weird sound. Here. You wanna play the slime here? You wanna play slime?
It looks like you're farting.
Yeah, I was saying that. See? It's a farting slime. Look at the slime. It's so roly-poly.
Roly-poly? What's roly-poly?
Roly-poly, slowly. Let me make chicken. Look. See? Let me go get some toys to play with.
You want spicy chicken?
I don't like spicy chicken. I'm watching with my Oh, maybe I could get stuff.
What are you doing?
I'm molding it. I'm gonna mold this, Mr. Slime.
I don't think you can mold a slime. Can you mold a slime?
No, but I'm gonna try to. That's what's the question. That's what I'm doing. This is how you.
What are you doing, Marilyn?
Making something slimy, baby.
You're making something slimy?
Okay, look. I'm making a star. Let me comb his hair. But slime does not have hair at all. It don't have eyes.
Can you mix a small portion of two slime? Did they stick together? If you mix the little two slime together?
I did that before.
What, did it change color?
No.
No? Did they blend together, or
No,
did they?
I could take it off.
You can take it off. Let me see.
No, wait.
Let's do the experiment. Take out a little bit of slime, blue slime,
Look at that.
and then mix it. No! Don't put it on the big one. Then you won't be able to. Okay, get a little bit of chicken slime, and put it together. So they don't mix with each other. Did they mix with each other?
No, it sticks.
What if you smush it? Try to smush it. Did they mix?
No.
You can't blend it with two different slime?
I think because of the stickiness. It's different amount of stickiness. And you want to see this baby long. Look.
Okay, stick that one. Stick that one. Smush it here. That one.
Look what I'm making.
I think you can blend it. Let me see. Grab a little bit of it.
Still take it off.
Okay. Yeah. See? I think you can still take it up.
Wait.
Let's do this.
For 1 second. Look at this baby. What are you doing, Thomas?
We're gonna mix two slime.
Are you ready? Look at this. Are you ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mix it. Mix it.
Mix it.
Come on. Mix it.
Daddy, look. I'm gonna put slime in there.
A Lego slime?
Yeah, Lego slime.
Did it mix?
Wait,
They don't mix.
Dad, come out.
They don't mix. They have a two different chemical property, I think.
It come out. Look, I'm gonna mold a star.
Hold on. Put that blue one back into that blue blob right here. Did they mix? Okay, did they mix together? Let me see. See, they don't mix here too, Thomas.
Look, I'm gonna tell
Did they mix?
I'm gonna show you something. See, it's pooping on there. Look, I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna mold a star. It gets to go.
The slime star?
Slime is not getting off at all. Wait.
Oh! Whoa! Look at that.
See?
That is so.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's do the blue star.
Okay. Can I do it for you? That's fine. Wait. But okay, let me make another star. You need to make another star? Yeah, I will. But don't break this, okay? This one is bigger. Maybe this. Oh yeah, that's not right. Okay, get this. Let's make 2 stars and connect it together. And let's see what happens. Well, I have a great idea.
What?
We could get. We have to get the blue slime and put it together, and we will mash it together. Give me. No. Okay. Let me just do it for the orange chicken meat. Hey, this does not look like a chicken anymore.
Why doesn't it look like a chicken?
Because it's not mashy anymore. It's starting to get straight. Yesterday I played it with it. It changed color a little bit.
How did you make it change color?
I don't know. It just changed.
Marilyn, what are you doing? You putting it all back together?
Yeah, you just make it fun. Maybe it's a light up slime. Maybe.
You want the light up slime?
No.
Did they even sell the light up slime?
Yes, I've seen it before.
You've seen it?
Do you know how you make it?
How?
First, you need light up glue.
But they don't blend in with even each other.
See, make it poopy.
They stay with their own kind.
Yeah, I know why.
Why?
I think so.
Now let's do half and half star. Blue slime and then chicken slime.
No, we make gold slime.
Gold slime.
Give me the slime. I promise I need. Here. Go. I don't like it.
Okay, just leave it here.
Slimy. I want the purple one. Slime. Mr. Slime.
Are you opening the purple slime?
So gooey. Mr. Slime, you are so gooey. Mr. Slime, Mr. Golden Slime, please shine Mr. Daddy, see? You want to see what it looks like? Is it fun? It's purple. Mixed blue. It looks like blue color. Ooh, slimy, gooey.
Yeah, it's gooey.
Stretched out a little bit. Okay, let me make this. You remember you not playing with us slime? Yeah, last night. Last night, and my mom was almost tired, and my mom split and left us alone. And I was almost afraid. I thought there was a scary monster, so I ran away to my mom. Let me make
Yeah?
poop. Yeah. Are you ready? Not a poop! Okay, this can fit. Now we can make poop. Wait. It'll fart. Wait, guys. Do you see a little purple and blue? There's a purple, and I see blue there. Look, see? I'm going to make it fart. Like this? Look, I'm going to make it fart.
Whoa.
Oh, yucky! He farted like a baby boy. Are you ready again?
Hold on, wait.
3, 2, 1. Okay, get this. Let's get that fart. Oh. Okay, let's just put the slime. Oh, that was a great one. Slime is like a ball. There's sticks. It's like glue. But I know slime's ingredient is glue. One of them. They make it stretchy.
Really?
Yeah, they make it stretchy. Wait. Oh my gosh, it fell. Wait. See? Oh, I have a ball. I love like soft. Oh, I have a great idea. We can make a different color stars. Dad, look. See? It's a little soft, like a softy baby.
Let me see.
There's just this little. It's like a ball. Because I'm putting my finger. Are you ready for this moment?
Yep.
Are you ready? Mash it together. Mash it? No. No. Are you ready?
No. Yeah.
Yes.
No.
3,
Okay.
2, 1. Mash. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's. Don't, Thomas. What?
Oh, did it stick? They
Yes.
finally stick together.
Yeah. Why you're trying to stick it together?
Don't stick it together, Thomas. Okay, get it off. Then you only have a mixed color now.
It's Thomas' fault. Funny baby. Wait, why?
Take it off.
Thomas not listening. Now
Can you take it off?
Yeah. It's ready to stick now. Now we can never play the blue slime.
Uh-oh. Really?
Yeah, just a little bit slimy.
So they do mix together.
But not if you. Only when you mix all of them.
Wait, you can peel it off one at a time.
Oh yeah. This is a good type of slime. Oh. But you can take it off. Good. Guys. Oh my gosh. Look at me. Look. So.
How do you do that? Okay, Thomas, you got a lot of work to do. You gotta unmix all the blue slime and gold slime together.
Oh my gosh. Look what I have done. This is gold. My mom is drinking water. My mom actually liked me. Do you know why I come to Mom's car and not your car? Because sometimes my brother can fight with me. Fight.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's why, baby, Brody. Oh my gosh. Because sometimes I miss my mom on the car. That's why, baby brain. Okay, get that. Okay.
Can you get it off? So they do mix with the other color, just like Play-Doh. In a large amount, they mix it together.
Ready to stamp it? Yeah.
Is it the same color?
No.
Same.
Maybe we should just leave it like that. Ready?
No.
Yeah,
I think.
Ready to stamp it?
Maybe
we should get another bottle. We will have 4 color slime.
Yeah, 4 color slime, yeah.
That would be a great idea. Oh, I have a great idea. I know. Are you ready to stamp it with the slime with the Lego? Are you ready?
Yeah. Okay. Pull it out. Uh-oh.
It broke. Actually. Oh, there's a baby slime. Okay. Wait, when I squeeze it broke. Can I switch slime? Why, baby? I need it. I thought you need that. Why do you keep changing it? Don't you want chicken slime? No, don't get it. Because they're the same slime. Why are you acting like a little baby? Okay, I'm gonna make another poop slime. Then I'm gonna back it off. Okay. Get that blue off. That's fine. Blue. Off again. Stickly. Ooh, I made a poop. Yeah. Keep boarding.
So you can mix those two slimes together in a large amount. But if you do it for a little one, some reason they don't stick together. All right, who's farting?
You are. Because you always fart. You always infinity.
Infinity fart?
Yeah. My mom don't like farting. My mom just likes spell. Slime's not coming out. No.
Is it stuck?
Thomas said that. Wait, look at it behind your back. There's a llama queen, 2 llama queen behind your back.
Yeah.
Then turn around. Spin. Look at your camera. You're talking about mystery.
Is it stuck?
No. To take it off. And guess what? We even got clay. Play-Doh. So we're gonna do this. Stop, actually. Okay, this is gonna be epic. Epic. This will be epic.
What are you doing?
Harry Potter.
You doing Harry Potter?
Oh my god. Can you get this out? Oh my god.
What happened?
Oh my god. Bye. Click your bell. Click your bell now. Click the bell button. I'm gonna throw the slime on you. Whoa. Click your slime button when you like this.
There's a slime button? I don't think there's a slime button.
Slime button is subscribe you. Slime button. I'm gonna throw slime at you. Are you ready? Bye. Okay. Do you want to play slime? Here, play slime. Wiggle, wiggle. Why are you wiggling my slime? Bye, bye. Bye, bye. Have a nice lunch, Missy. High five. Slime five. Now you slime five, not high five. You like the slime video? Five. You like the slime video? When you like it, click it. It's not high five, it's slime five. Bye. Have a nice day. Okay, let's make it fun. Bye. Bye.